Hello everyone, welcome to KP Tutorial in collaboration with ALM Tutorial and Mac Cafe Educational Hub. In today's class we're going to start physics, and in physics we're going to start a branch of physics called classical mechanics. Well, my name is Kushmiras Parveen, Miss Kushmiras Parveen, and I'm a teacher and a tutor by profession. So let's go ahead with the topic. Today going to be your introduction class. So in today's class we're gonna understand about mechanics, and the branches of mechanics are there. So if I ask you a question, what is mechanics? We all know that mechanics is branch of physics that which deals with conditions of rest or motion of the material objects around us, and it is one of the oldest branches of physics. So we're going to understand here the branch of physics which deals with the study of forces and motion and their relationship is called mechanics. In mechanics, we seek to understand and explain the motion of material objects and the conditions under which objects will remain at rest. And we're going to learn a few basic principles of mechanics to describe and explain the motion of stars and planets, build bridges, fly airplanes, and put satellites into orbit. Now we're going to categorize this study of mechanics into three parts: statics, kinematics, and dynamics. So we're going to understand statics. What do you mean by statics? So it's a branch of mechanics and it deals with objects at rest. It is of central importance in the design of bridges, buildings, and other structures. Like even when the objects are at rest or in equilibrium under the action of several forces, we're going to deal with this branch of statics. The measurement of time is not essential in statics, but statics itself means at rest. So we study the study of objects at rest or in equilibrium even when they are under several forces. Now kinematics. First we understand the word kinematics is derived from the Greek word kinema, it's meaning motion. And in this kinematics we're going to learn about the motion of objects and its geometrical description in the terms of quantities such as displacement and velocity. We do not consider here cause of motion. So in other words, we can say kinematics does not consider the size, shape, mass, etc. of the body. It is restricted to properties of motion. And here measurement of time is essential. The third branch of mechanics is dynamics. Dynamics is derived from the Greek word dynamis, meaning power. It is a branch of mechanics that deals with the cause of motion. Cause of motion is essential over here. We study the effect of forces in causing motion and the properties of the moving systems by studying the equation of motion containing force. Therefore, mass of the object must be considered. So in this branch of physics, that is mechanics, dynamics, we deals with the study of motion of objects, taking into consideration the cause of their motion. And we know that the name of the scientist who contributed a lot to dynamics by postulating his famous laws of motion, yes, it's Newton. So that's all for today's class. It was introduction. We're going to meet in the lecture 2 soon. Take care. Bye bye.